Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing circumference once again, but now you're going to be finding a missing piece. So you're often going to see problems where they give you the circumference, but they ask for the radius or the diameter. So here I have 4 examples that we're going to try, and up here in the top right, I do have some things I do want to go over. I will be using 3.14 for pi for all of the examples. The other version of pi you can use that I've stated in my other circumference video is 22/7. But like I said, I'm using the decimal form today. The first thing you need to do is plug in everything that you know into the formula that will give you the desired measurement. So if I'm looking at the first problem, I'm trying to find a radius. So I would probably use the first circumference formula right here. Circumference equals pi times 2 times radius. And then this really becomes a one-step equation, and it is just a matter of dividing your coefficient. So let's get started. So we want to find the radius. They gave me a circumference, and because I'm trying to find the radius, I'm going to be using C equals pi times 2 times r, which is my radius. My radius is going to be my variable, my unknown. So plug in everything you know. They told me a circumference, and pi is 3.14 times 2 times some unknown. Whoops, that's 3.14. Off screen, I'm going to do 3.14 times 2 on my calculator. And I am left with this one-step equation. So in order to solve for r, to get that alone, I divide each side by 6.28. And off screen on my calculator, I'm doing that, divided by 6.28. And I'm going to get a radius of 13 centimeters. Let's look at a problem where we have to find the diameter. So I'm actually going to use the second formula right there with the double arrows. So plug in everything that you know. So here we go. Pi times diameter. My circumference is 62.8 equals pi 3.14 times my diameter, which I don't know. And now it's just a matter of dividing. So off screen on my calculator, I'm going to do 62.8 divided by my decimal for pi and get a diameter of 20 meters. Let's look at number 3. So I need to find a radius. So since I'm looking for a radius, I'm going to use the first formula. So C equals pi times 2 times r. Plug in everything you know. 47.1 equals pi times 2, so 3.14 times 2. I am condensing the steps just to save some time. 6.28 times r. And again, you're going to divide by your coefficient, in this case 6.28. The reason why that's the coefficient is because it's right next to our unknown, our variable. And off screen, when I do this, I get a radius of 7.5. So my radius equals 7.5 millimeters. Oh, sorry about that. That's my dog in the background. And our last problem. We need to find the diameter given the circumference. So I'm going to jump right into plugging things in. 182.12 equals pi, which is 3.14, times my diameter. And all I have to do is divide each side by that pi decimal, 3.14. So 182.12 divided by 3.14. And I am going to get a diameter of 58 kilometers. Wow, this is one big circle. Whoa, there we go. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you share this video with a friend who you think could benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.